Hey, it's Kimberly. I'm going to be singing Set Fire to the Rain by Adele. Hope you guys like it. Enjoy. Let it from my heart, as it felt you wrote to bring me. It was dark, and now it's over, until you kissed my lips and saved me. My hands are strong, but my knees are far too weak. Stand in your arms, without falling to your feet. There's a side to you that I never knew. All the things you said, they were never true in the game. You say you would always win. Said I set fire to the rain, watch it burn as I touch your face. Well, it's gone while I cry, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. With you, I could stay there and close my eyes so you hear forever, and you and me together, nothing gets better.